This is Faris Izzuddin. Welcome to TOF. I am your trainer for the AI annotation and machine learning pre-assessment for data annotator positions. So today I'm going to go through what are you going to expect from your training for your pre-assessment. Let's go through it. I will make some introduction to AI data annotation and machine learning. Let's go through it. The first one, AI data annotation, is the process of labeling, tagging, or categorizing raw data such as images, audio, text, or video so that machines can learn to recognize patterns and make intelligent decisions. It's the foundation of machine learning and artificial intelligence, enabling models to understand the world much like humans do. There are many types of data annotation depending on the data source and goal, such as image annotation, text annotation, audio annotation, video annotation, which most of them is self-explanatory. And I believe that most of the ones who watch this know what means by image annotation, text annotation, audio annotation, and video annotations. Annotation means that you need to tag on something. You need to get something out of each media files, like image annotation. You need to label objects, people, or scenes in the image, and you need to tag whether it's a human, what color is it, what shape is it, what is the condition, the side of it, or something like that. That's the same thing with text annotation. Tagging entities, intent, or sentiment in written content, transcribing speech, labeling emotions or identifying speakers when you do audio annotation. And lastly is video annotation, which self-explanatory frame-by-frame tagging for object movement, activities, or facial expressions. All right, I will go through more deep, in depth on the next part of it. So what you will be expected is, and you will need to know why we are doing it. Accurate annotation is crucial. It directly affects the quality, accuracy, and fairness of AI models. Each label we apply contributes to building smarter and more reliable system. This is why we are doing the assessment, because we need a lot of workforce, someone, a talent that can give us an accurate annotations. You will be assessed on your accuracy. All right. So let's get through on the first parts. What you will learn today is about 3 annotation types for this project. The first one is audio annotation. What is this? It is involved transcribing spoken content, labeling emotions, identifying speakers, and marking non-verbal sounds. Helps train speech recognition, emotion detection, and conversational AI systems. We will teach the AI how to listen, and we need to teach them when someone is talking about something, what is they are talking about, how are they feeling, what are they conveying, what is the context, and everything. Next one is AI video annotations. What it is, it requires labeling scenes, actions, or emotional expressions in video data. When we say labeling scenes, actions, or emotional expressions, it might involve with people expressions, with human generated, with AI generated human video, something like that. What it will do, it will support visual. You will support visual AI models used in safety, monitoring, human behavior analysis, and content moderation. The last one, it is humanized response. Text annotation. Focus on evaluating, correcting, or labeling AI-generated text, check responses, summarize, or translations, improve the quality and safety of large language models by teaching them to produce more accurate and human-like outputs. We have already used ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, a lot of famous and popular AI models out there that you can use to interact with them in AI, in text base, in text media. So we will do the same here. We will need to teach the AI on how to read, what is the context, how to communicate with people with just using the text, the same way that we are chatting with our friends. Let's go. Next part. So today you will need to focus on this. For these three parts, you will do three assessment. Each assessment is representing audio, video, and text-based LLM. I'm going to tell you what is it, what you need, and how you're going to do it, and why we doing it. All right. So the first part will be audio introduction. I will tell you exactly what is audio annotation and what for this assessment that you are going to take in a few minutes, what do you need to focus on? You will need to you might need to take a note on this. You might need to focus on exactly what the keywords that I'm going to tell you, because most of the time candidates often do the same mistake during the assessment. So we don't want a few of the assessment, most of the candidates to fail just because they did not understand the context of the assessment itself. So let's go. What is audio annotation? What are you going to do? We are going to annotate real human speech with high accuracy levels for AI training. That's the first goals that we are going to do. We are going to hear the real human speech. We need to listen, transcribe, identify who is telling what is the emotion, and is the segmentation of the speech itself, where is the start, where is the end of the speech. We need to know all of it from a human speech, and also we need to know when it turns into an AI generated audio, does it match with the neutral human-like speech. All right. So 5 parts that you will need to focus on audio annotation assessment that you will take is, the first one is for you to listen carefully. You need to really listen. You need to have a very good hearing, sorry, so that you will not miss any mispronunciations, uh, any dialects, any accents that someone use. You need to understand the context of what someone is talking about, not just simply transcript or understand it by the way that just using whatever the text says. So the second part, you will need to be able to write it back. You need to transcript. You need to type it back. You need to listen, and you need to be able to be writing it back. Whatever the speech is, you need to be able to transcript it. Okay. The third one is identifying the speaker. You will need to know which person is saying what. We might have friends that have a similar quality of voices and vocal, and they might sound the same, but using context, using your senses as a human, you will need to identify who is saying what, and not just simply relying on the whatever other people says. You will need to have a good hearing for this. And the biggest part of it is identifying emotion when someone is talking, making noises. Of course, we as human, we need to know, or we might know what a person's clearly feel when they are angry. We know what angry sounds like. When someone is happy, when someone is sad, we know exactly what their sounds like. So you will need to have a good sense for identifying emotion. This will not just be simply who's telling what and whether other people telling what. It is more reliable to rely on your senses to detect what this person is feeling, what is the emotion of someone's. Next one is segmentation. The last one, you will need to know when a sentence starts and when it ends. We don't want any cutoff in the middle or even the last letters. If someone is saying annotation, we need the end sound at the end of it. We don't want to be annotation or annotate when it cut off in the middle. We want it a full sentence. It's the same when a sentence is started. We don't want deal annotation. We want that out sounds, that audio annotation. All right. So next part, I'm going to show some examples. All right, sorry.
You know what I feel like? You know what I feel like? I feel like a damn princess. You know what I feel like? I feel like a damn princess. You know what I feel like? I feel like a damn princess.
All right, take note of this. Both of the dialogue, you know what I feel like? I feel like a damn princess, and laughs. Or you know what that feels like? That feel like a dumb princess. Some people will hear the second one, but normally using the context, you will know what exactly a person is saying. That's the same inside the assessment. We wanted to know if you're going to know based on context itself what a person is trying to say, not just simply relying on the audio or the pre-transcript. No, we need you to really hear and know exactly what a person is saying, which words are they really using. Like we see here, you know what I feel like, or you know what I feel like. Sometimes a person have an accent where if you really did not hear good enough, you will never realize which one is it. All right. I feel like a damn princess, or they feel like a damn princess. Some people will have that kind of mispronunciation, all the dialects, all the accents. So make sure that you are very well know about all of this part. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Emotion.
Oh, my God. Did you see what Brandy was wearing? Talk about hideous.
Let's hear it again.
You know what
Sorry.
I feel like?
Oh, my God. Did you see what Brandy was wearing? Talk about hideous.
All right. This is for emotion. What do you guys feel? The answer would be disgusted. All right. So, as you can see, some of the audio parts might sound simple, but eventually it can be tricky. So, do not feel like, don't take it lightly, or don't take the assessment in a rush manner. Make sure that you do not over don't be overconfident with your answer, and always double check. Okay, so that will be for audio. uh See you next time on our pre-assessment video introduction. Thank you for watching.